Explore how the wildest 3D printed shoe designs are igniting creativity in the footwear industry. 1. Avant-garde creations. Designers are pushing boundaries with intricate, previously unachievable designs, showcasing the limitless potential of 3D printing. 2. Rapid prototyping. The ability to swiftly produce and test innovative concepts accelerates the design process, fostering a culture of experimentation. 3. Customization. 3D printing allows for personalized designs tailored to individual preferences, enabling unique and creative footwear solutions. Step into the future of fashion with our cutting-edge 3D printed footwear. Visit 3dshoes.com today.